Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. First DIY, I'm going to be starting off with this glass cloche that I picked up from Home Goods. And I'm going to make a few lines along the bottom half of the container. I'll be using this metallic purple paint, and I'm just going to brush on the paint with a small brush over the hot glue. I'm going to be using these diamond and pearl stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to add that same sticker to the top portion of the container. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? For our next DIY, I'll be taking this iridescent tea light holder as well as this bling ribbon from Dollar Tree. Next, I'll be using this diamond bling ribbon from Amazon, and I'm just going to cut it into smaller sections. And so here's what they look like, guys. I really do love this one. I think it's my favorite. What do you guys think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I'll be back on Sunday at 6 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.